Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to invert any chart on TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to flip a chart's price scale so that moves that go up appear to go down and vice versa. This is a simple visual trick that doesn't change your data or your indicators. It just changes how the price scale is displayed, which can be incredibly useful for spotting relationships, comparing inverse assets, or looking at a market from a fresh angle. If you're someone who often works with assets that have an inverse correlation or wants to view price movements in an alternative way, this method will be a game changer. Here's the idea in plain terms. Inverting a chart flips the price axis, so what was previously rising will appear to be falling, and what was falling will look like it's rising. It's the same chart, same candles, same indicators, only the orientation of the price scale is mirrored. For example, if you were analyzing a stock that's on a downward trend, inverting the chart will make it appear as if it's moving upward. Some traders use this to view correlations more clearly, especially when comparing two assets that tend to move in opposite directions, like gold and the US dollar. It can also help make patterns pop out that are harder to see in the standard orientation, such as when you want to spot potential reversals or trends in inverse assets. To do it, place your cursor on the price axis on the right side of your chart. This is the vertical scale that shows the price levels, usually with numbers running up and down along the right edge. Right-click directly on that axis label area. In the context menu that appears, look for the option labeled Invert Scale and select it. The moment you click, the chart will flip its vertical orientation. You'll notice the prices reorder on the axis, and the candles will appear mirrored along that axis. This effect is instant, and you can immediately see how the chart looks with the inverted price scale. If you prefer shortcuts, there's an even quicker way. With your chart active, press Alt plus F5 on your keyboard. If nothing happens at first, make sure the chart is in focus by clicking once anywhere inside the chart area. Then try Alt plus I again. This keystroke is a fast way to switch the view without digging into menus, which is especially handy when you want to compare the normal and inverted views back to back during your analysis. For example, if you're comparing a stock's performance with a commodity, flipping the chart quickly will let you spot the inverse correlation between them in a matter of seconds. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind as you use this. Inversion is purely visual, so it won't alter alert conditions, indicator logic, or any calculations. This is important because it means your technical analysis stays the same. You're just changing how the chart is displayed. It's particularly helpful when analyzing assets that often move opposite to each other, like stocks and commodities, or when you want to reframe a downtrend as an uptrend to draw tools more comfortably or to challenge your bias. By flipping the price axis, you can easily view trends from a different perspective, helping you think outside the box and spot things you might have missed with the normal chart orientation. That's it. Right-click the price axis and choose Invert Scale, or tap Alt plus I for speed. Simple, clear, and effective for a fresh perspective on any TradingView chart. By using this method, you'll be able to enhance your market analysis and spot opportunities that you might have overlooked before.